Attention Maple County Police Department, please take a seat. Your training video will begin momentarily. For this interactive training video, please remain seated. Pick up the remote on the table in front of you and give inputs when required. Thank you. This interactive training video is brought to you by Maple County's Police Department. In this instructional video, you will learn about the current threats sweeping our state, and how to protect yourself and citizens from this threat. We know very little about this threat, but as we learn and grow our knowledge, this threat will be removed in the following months. The media has not revealed this threat, and everything you see in this training video is classified. Sharing this information with friends or loved ones is not permitted. Exercise 1. Assessing the threat. On screen, 2 images will appear. On instinct alone, please choose the image that is the most unsettling. You will be scored at the end of this video. Congratulations, you passed the first exercise. Next, we will learn more on how to identify a threat. Reports have identified these characteristics: lack of emotion and uncanny facial features, body language mirroring and verbal imitation, lack of eye tracking and awkward movement, unusual.
Hey, honey, can you come in my room? I fell down. I need help. I need you to see something. Come to my room. I need you to see something.
Sheriff's Department.
Hi. So, this could be nothing, but there's this really fucking freaky dude that's been chasing my house, I think.
Well, can you describe him to me at least?
I mean, it's like pitch black outside, but, I think he might be on, like, drugs or something. He's moving, like, really weird.
Well, is he doing anything illegal, or...
No, fuck you guys. Fucking nothing happens out here. Just fucking send someone. Jesus fucking... I'm sorry. I'm just freaked out, man. It's just... This shit never happened.
Alright, what's he doing right now?
Fuck. Jesus. He just kind of... I mean, he definitely knows I'm looking at him. And he knows I'm calling the cops, so he'll fuck off, but I don't know if something's just off.
Oh, what's your address?
It's, no road. Yeah, just try to hurry. Wake her up and freak her out of the fucking day she had.
Yep, we'll see you soon.